Bath time! Oh, come on. You know that doesn't work on me. And that doesn't either. Regular cats can't do that, silly. Look, I'm sorry I'm being a little obsessive, Catnap, but I can't help it. You're too cute like this. Aw, who's a good kitty? You are, aren't you? Sweet little...
Dog Day!
Catnap.
Meow? Okay, fine. I pretended I was a normal cat because I wanted to sleep all day. I thought everyone would just leave me alone. But of course, you big-hearted bozos thought I was in trouble and kept me awake the whole time. Like you always do.
Catnap, you know if you wanted to take a day off, you could have just told us. We were all worried sick. I'm just glad you're okay.
I'm sorry I scratched you.
Don't worry about it. It's not like you ripped off my legs or something.
Good to know you were faking it the whole time, Catnap!
Always remember to save your work, kids.